How to refund purchase on Google Play. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following tutorial, I'll show you how can you refund purchase on Google Play. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. So first thing, what you could do is actually go to your Play Store. Make sure that you're logged in with your correct account and then click the initials from the top right hand side corner. After which you could actually go ahead and click on payment and subscriptions, and then you could go to budget and history. So right on this page, you could go ahead and look or see the purchase item. Now in my case, I have none, so the interface will look completely different. But what you need to do is just have to make sure to go ahead and select the particular app or a particular item that you want to refund. So what you want to do is just click on the refund options, and when you click on the refund option, then you'll be able to see this notification stating that are you sure that you want to refund this purchase item. The app will be uninstalled. If you're sure about it, tap the next button or tap the yes button, and it's going to show you this sort of information as refunding. That's the way you could refund purchase in Google Play. Now if you're unable to do it so, then it's best for you to contact the help support. So you could go to the web browser and type in Play Store support, and when you go to this link, you could go and click on Google Play help, and that's going to take you to this field where you could go ahead and state about the issue that you're facing, and that should be able to help you out. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.